it's nicely, ow! Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. Still busy on my Beamer, my R1200GS. What are we gonna do today? Well, today I'm gonna put the injectors on both sides into my ultrasonic cleaner. So, the first thing we're gonna do is take them off. Come on over and we start. Guys, as you can see, there is some petrol stuff glued to it. There are the ultra tiny holes. And I also ordered already this O-ring and the O-ring that sits over there. Now we're gonna take it off, and that's easy. We have to remove this clip and then we can take the fuel line off. Well, there it goes. Hop. This one. And then hop. There he is. See, there comes a bit of petrol out. This is the injector. Okay, now we're gonna take the other side off. Now guys, the first thing we're gonna do is take this connector off. That was easy, huh? Then over there is a Torx bolt, 25. Can take this one off too. Very easy. Pop up. If you want one of these ratchets, look in the description to my Amazon tool shed. No, my Amazon tool shop. Hop. Okay, bolt out. Then this one over there. Then we can take this one out. Very easy. See, it's all, there is some sticky stuff. This clip, and then up. And ladies and gentlemen, we have it out. Place this one over here for now. And then, okay. Then guys, I'm gonna this out of the way. Now guys, to activate the injectors while I'm having them in my ultrasonic cleaner, I had to come up with a device that open close the injector. So tick, tick, tick. So I used a flasher unit from a bike. So, and this is how I made it. It's so easy. This is my power supply. I got the positive, goes into the flasher, and out of the flasher to my injector, and from the injector back to the negative. Easy as hell. This is how it looks. It's a bit, but listen. And that's what I want. I want that tiny little needle inside going in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And then after a while, I'll take them out of my ultrasonic cleaner, and while it's activated, I spray carburetor cleaner through it. So, I would say, come on over and we go to the ultrasonic cleaner. Now guys, We're here at my ultrasonic cleaner. It's nicely warmed up. Then the next thing we're gonna do is put it on. It makes a lot of noise. Okay. Well, there it goes. Then we're gonna put it on. Guys, over here I have carburetor cleaner and I'm gonna spray it in there. Okay, then I'm gonna put it on. Okay. Okay. Put it back on. Okay. Okay. Put it on. Okay. Okay. Put it out. Now guys, see the difference? This one went in my ultrasonic cleaner and this one I haven't done yet. Maybe, yeah, there's a tiny bit of difference on that side too. Now guys, as you can see, this worked absolutely great. I'm curious what the outcome is. See, this is all nice, cleaned. This inside, maybe. First I have a look. Okay. Okay. Maybe have a look inside. Not sure if you can see it. I wiggle it a bit. This is the other one. The other one bites the dust. Like this. So. Now guys, the O-rings for the injectors that I ordered. I have them into the house. So we're gonna mount them. Come on over. Guys, the brown ones, they are at the bottom. Take a screwdriver. Oop, this one, that one over there. And warm them up carefully. Up, up, up. Come on. You can do it. Yes, it's already a bit warmer. Then have to see it works. Perfect. This one we're gonna warm up too. What a fool believes. Always be careful, those heaters will heat very quickly. So, yes, it's nice warm now. Not too hot, but and then there he goes. Oh, wait a minute, like this. Yes. Then this one, well, oh, oops, almost the old ones. This is easy. This one, see? Okay. And this one. Yes. This old stuff out of the way. Okay. Yes. Now, let's move on. Okay. Now guys, this was my video. How you can ultrasonic clean your injectors and renew the O-rings. Was it difficult? Nah, not if you have an ultrasonic cleaner. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you the next time in a new video. And for now, Old Mechanic.